That's just the way it is.
I'm a man, I gotta take care of my family.
Some things will never change.
Fighting these pressures in my life.
You gotta make a change.
I know my mind should be on shining and getting Grammys.
You gotta make a change.
But these streets won't say goodbye. I can't say goodbye
to the blocks,
goodbye
to the hood,
goodbye
to the streets.
I can't say goodbye
to the hood,
goodbye
to the blocks,
goodbye
to the streets.
I can't say goodbye
to the blocks,
goodbye
to the streets,
goodbye
to the hood.
I can't say goodbye
to the hood,
goodbye
to the blocks,
goodbye
to the homies.
Whoa.
I guess it's true. You can't take the hood out the homeboy. Plus my hood just lost another homeboy. Another one got life and we don't know if he coming home, boy. The industry tell me just leave it alone, boy. Let them do them, take care of your own, boy. But I sit back, think about before I was grown, boy, and had dreams of being a dope boy. Yeah, I was running from the popo, banging for the turf, late night hunting, putting in work. Hood day coming, airbrush shirt, payday, got the spot, got my hair cut first. Made mom sick when I wouldn't go to church. Yeah, I live in the burbs, but I think 21st. I know since I left that it's gotten much worse, but I'd still be there if I couldn't write a verse.
Oh, I'm a man, I gotta take care of my family. Fighting these pressures in my life. I can't say goodbye
to the blocks that raised me, the enemies and the homies that made me tough enough to hang on the corners that would mold me. Critics wonder if I'm trying to be the old me, but if they think the old me ever left, then they don't really know me and don't know we don't change. We just become OG. You always addicted to the life, you just don't OD. But shit, I owe the streets before they owe me. Took me in what my mama didn't want me. Too wild to be a child, and pop's not around now. All I got now is the homies to teach me how to be a man and whatnot, how to break ounces into grams and whatnot. The reason I'm so nice with my hands and whatnot. Shit, you think I forgot?
Oh no, I'm a man, I gotta take care of my family. I gotta take care of these pressures in my life. Fighting. I know my mind should be on shining and getting Grammys, but these streets won't say goodbye. I can't say goodbye.
Thank God every day that the boy can stay, and all around the world they enjoying my shit. I know I got plenty more awards to get. I got a beautiful wife and some gorgeous kids, but it wouldn't be right if I ignored the shit that made me who I am. The music and the man told me that I can, for the world gave a damn. If it wasn't for my niggas saying stick to the plan, probably be a gun instead of a pen in my hand. Probably be doing a dub in the pen with my man. They say lead the streets, but they don't really understand. All I had was the block when I didn't have fans. Rapped on the corners when I couldn't get spins. All I had was the homies when I didn't have kids. If it all came down, my career was the end. I'm sure my name would live in the streets.
I'm a man, I gotta take care of my family. Fighting these pressures in my life. I know my mind should be on shining and getting Grammys, but these streets won't say goodbye. I can't say goodbye, goodbye. I can't say goodbye, goodbye. I can't say goodbye, goodbye. I can't say goodbye.
You can take the man out the streets, but you can't take the streets out the man.
That's just the way it is. Gotta make a change sometime. That's just the way it is.